Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel Anis Sir's Technology. In this lecture, we are going to discuss a very different topic, a very important topic is called boxing, unboxing. And after that, one more related topic is auto boxing, auto unboxing. So just 1 second. So first of all, we will cover the definition part, what is boxing and what is unboxing. Okay. Converting the primitive to primitive to reference or object. Object is the another name, another synonym of a reference. Okay. So converting the primitive to reference or object are called boxing. When we convert any primitive value into the object, that concept is called boxing. Okay, this is an example. We can say that n is a primitive value. What are the primitive data type as we have discussed in the previous lectures? Byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, boolean. These are 8 primitive data types. And suppose I want to convert these primitive to object, then boxing comes in the picture. Okay. So n is 400 and I want to use n, that is primitive, as a reference or object. Then we have to convert this primitive to object. This is the example of boxing. See, n is a primitive value. Okay. N is a primitive value. And what is this integer? It is a wrapper class. In the previous lecture, we have discussed wrapper class and the importance of the wrapper class. So n is a primitive. With the help of this wrapper class integer, we are converting this primitive into object, and that will be stored in K. So K is an object because it is defined along with the integer, and this is a class. And when we write any variable along with the class, that variable is treated as object. Okay. तो यहाँ पर in this situation, K is a object, N is a primitive variable of int type. And this line or this statement is called boxing. Done. What is unboxing? Boxing, and when we open the box, is called unboxing. The reverse process, the reverse process of boxing is called unboxing. Unboxing is a conversion of object to primitive. जब हम primitive को object में convert करते हैं, that concept is called boxing. And suppose we are doing the reverse process from object to primitive, this is called unboxing. So here K is a object, K is a object, and K dot int value. This object is converting into primitive value and is storing in num. What is int? Int is a primitive data type. So this concept and this statement is doing unboxing. Okay. It is an old concept. It is an old concept of the Java. After some time, new advanced concept came that is called AutoBoxing, auto unboxing. Okay, wait for a minute. Then we will see what is AutoBoxing and auto unboxing. If we convert this process, if we change this process, if we automate this process, then it is called AutoBoxing, auto unboxing. Okay, just wait for a minute. Now we will see the auto boxing and auto unboxing process. See, just 1 second. Okay, see. This is the new feature of Java 5. Before Java 5, there were only the concept of boxing, unboxing. But when the Java 5 was launched, then auto boxing, auto unboxing procedure is included in the Java. So Java programmer does not need to write the conversion code. Less code will be used. Less code. By the less code, we can do the boxing and unboxing. When we use the less code, this concept is called auto boxing and auto unboxing. Just 1 minute. See, read the definition of auto boxing is an automatic conversion, fast and direct conversion of primitive type to their corresponding object wrapper class. Manual code is not needed or required. Suppose num is equal to 200. It is a primitive variable defined with the int, so num is 200. And when the num will store in x, x is an object, so automatically this num will be converted into the object. We are not supposed to write integer x is equal to new integer then bracket num. It is not required or needed in the auto boxing. And what is the auto unboxing? Same. Auto unboxing is the reverse process of auto boxing. Auto unboxing is the reverse process of auto boxing. That means it is the automatic conversion of wrapper class object into the corresponding primitive type. How it is done? Integer num is equal to 200. And when the num is an object because it is defined with the integer wrapper class and num is containing 200. Okay, we can see that this is auto boxing. The primitive value is storing an object. This is auto boxing. When the object again is stored back into the primitive variable, this is called auto unboxing. Auto unboxing. Okay. Some more example we can include as per our logic. So just a moment. Suppose, let me clear all this. Just a moment. See, some more example. Character. Character x is equal to a. This is what primitive is converting into the object. It is auto boxing. And suppose char d is equal to x. Now this is auto unboxing. One more example. Integer x is equal to 100. It is auto boxing. And int d is equal to x. It is auto unboxing. Hope you understand. Now the concept is very much clear, but this is my personal recommendation and suggestion. Please watch the wrapper class video and then come back to this video. That's it. I'm done. It's enough. Thanks to all of you.